If you own a 2019-2022 Toyota Corolla, your key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This battery powers keyless entry, remote unlock lock, and the panic button. Confirm your fob matches the models shown to ensure this guide applies. Knowing this is the first step to replacing your Toyota Corolla key fob battery so you can continue to use the features without issue. Using the wrong battery type, such as CR2025, can cause issues. Cold weather or frequent use can shorten battery life, usually lasting 2 to 3 years. First, use a flat screwdriver or coin to gently pry open the fob along its seam, being careful not to damage the plastic clips or circuit board. Then, remove the old CR2032 battery. Install the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Snap the fob shut securely. Test the functions like lock, unlock, and panic button near your vehicle. If it doesn't work, try holding the lock button for 10 seconds while inside the car to reprogram it. Wear gloves to prevent oil transfer to the battery, which can cause corrosion. A DIY replacement costs $5 to $10 for the battery. Remember to use a genuine battery as a best practice.